Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage automatic media download on your account on Telegram easy and quickly. So first of all, go to the application, then click on these three lines and then go to the settings and then click on this data and storage section, and here we have automatic media download. So as you see, you can turn this on or off or on when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So that's it. That's how to manage this section, automatic media download, easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.